Welcome to the ImmerseFX stages of a product video. We have been tasked with creating and executing two concepts for a magazine, created Factory Girl and Land of Wonder, presented both and got accepted. With a minimal budget, hence a non-existent costume department, we asked our models to bring their own costumes. Working with two different photographers and an FX supervisor, shot the Factory Girl first, requiring the least amount of makeup, hair and costume changes. Look at George, questioning his existence. Post-processing this concept was easy. A little bit of skin and makeup retouch, cross-processing, bam! We had our final images recreating the feel of 50s. Land of Wonder was a bit more tricky. We needed to have more than 12 hair, makeup, costume changes with one actress, one hair, one makeup artist, and only one day available for shooting. Despite the talented crew, the results we got weren't living up to the concept that we had delivered. Look at me being all thoughtful and thinking why all those talented people couldn't get one more shoot day to shine. Client made a selection of 12 from 600 images we delivered, and it was time to post-process. We thought we can invest the time we couldn't invest at the set in post-production, so we cut out the actors from the images to replace all the backgrounds and turn our mediocre set into a marvelous one. We found the public domain okayish 3D female body to cast the shadows on the ground realistically, match the camera and the pose of the actress. It was smooth sailing from there. Created unique scenes for all the selection images. Land of Wonder was on our screens now.